morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama, and we've got another customer creation. This is a big one. Well, width-wise anyways. This is a 32 by 52, which is the largest width that Champion makes. This is going to my friends, the Howells. We did two homes, one for the parents, one for the kids. So this is the nephew's house, and it's going to be shipping out here in a few days. We want to ship them at the same time. So the installer is there at the same time, and that's something I'd like to talk about, all about coordination. We have a project coordinator. Her name is Brittany. You've seen her on here before, and she's going to coordinate the project for you. Make sure everybody gets where they're supposed to be. Check out our lot. We're here in Topeka, Indiana. This is the flagship facility for Champion Homes. It all started here in 1956. These homes that you're seeing here are already sold and ready to go to their homes. A couple things here. We've got an open house September the 19th. You can see a couple empty spots. We'll be filling those with the brand new show homes that we will keep for a little bit. And then also, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Let's jump right in. 32 by 56, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And this baby is known for having the largest pantry in the sectional homes. So let's check it out. Right, coming in the front door, we've got a wide open space. We've got Havana on the floor. That's the standard carpet this year. Casper cashmere on the walls. This is a VOG home. Stuck with the standard trim. They wanted to save some money and just go with some of the basic stuff, which is fine. It's still very nice. And then everything that you need to put the two pieces together is going to be in the living room on a big old piece of plastic, ready for your installer. Heading over here, we're going to see the primary bedroom. Nice spacious bedroom. So when you go with a 32 wide, or if we're talking single wide, when you jump up to a 16, it just changes everything, right? You got a little bit more elbow room and more width. That's why you have the elbow room. So on the other end of the home, you're going to find bedroom 2, bedroom 3. They're going to look like this, except they're going to be a little bit smaller. Let's see, where are we going to find the kitchen? And here it is. What is special about this home, we just talked about that, is this humongous pantry. So let's take a walk through it. You're going to have, of course, your wire racks all the way up 4 deep on each wall. So when we look back here, look at all that space. I mean, wow. On the other side of this wall, we're going to see a little bit of a coffee bar, and that's nice too. And then in the kitchen, the largest island that we offer, this is the 083 island. We've got glacier quartzite on the top. Looks a lot like River Rock. We've got standard urban oak on the cabinets. Harbor light on the floor. And these colors just blend together so nicely. Yes. They're going to put their own dishwasher in, so that's what happens here. We will do the cavity and also the electrical for you. That pantry though, whew, that's a pantry. Beautiful. Some of my favorite customers to work with right here. They were great. Here's your dining room. Headed back towards the short hallway, we're gonna find bath number 2. So on the other side of this, through the plastic, we would have bed 2 and bed 3 over here. Same size bedrooms. Here we are in the utility. There's the side door. Water heater and furnace. Then back over here in the corner is going to be the washer dryer area. 32 by 52, big spacious house, and it's perfect for them. We've got one more spot to check out, and that's going to be the master bath. All right, the thing about the Topeka, lots of storage space. You're going to find your primary closet also in the bathroom. So we've got an extended vanity here. You would be able to add 2 sinks if you wanted to. This customer chose just to add the one. And coming over here, another thing I love about the Topeka is that the shower is kind of tucked away back here. So you've got a shower and also a linen commode. And then here's going to be your walk-in closet. All right, Howells, if you're watching, thank you from the bottom of my heart for letting me be a part of your journey. We've got one more going to your property that we'll be taking a video of. And as always, Thanks for watching.